Today in this video we will learn how to do manicure. Manicure is a beauty treatment of the hands. Starting the video, if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe the video and do comment so that I know how you liked my video. So let's start the video. Step 1. We have to take lukewarm water in a bowl. We have to put shampoo and Dettol in water. You can use lemon also, but that's an option. Keep your hand inside the water. And we have to clean their hand properly with the help of a brush. After cleaning hands, dry it with the help of towel. Now we have to start the cleaning process. Nails will be cut, filed, and shaped. We will use these three tools to clean hands. This is cuticle cutter, which we cut the cuticle. This is cuticle pusher, which we push the cuticle. This is nail filler, which we shape the nail. This is a cuticle cream. First we have to apply cuticle cream. Massage the nails for 1 minute. Cuticle cream softens the skin around the nail. After the hand cleaning, enjoy a hand massage. The final step will be the painting of the nails with a color of your choice.